Priest, Honorable MP, Mr. Linus Bhava, dear friends, children, family members. We all know that we are being part of Hallel 25. Reverend Shijuchan and Eldosachan already mentioned the meaning of that word Hallel. The same time, while we are Hallel, praising the Lord, we are taking this opportunity to rejoice with the children, with our children, and making our children or showing them a good example that we can have sort of celebrations with the name of God. So everybody is here to let their children, and also I know and adults are also participating under the different denominations. So we all are waiting to see their programs. So this is a good opportunity for everyone to come forward and perform, and we all have to encourage them and give more opportunity for our children and our youth to perform and also cherish in their own caliber and everything. So I wish everyone a great evening and enjoy all the programs, and thank you Reverend Actions and the managing committee for giving me an opportunity to address you tonight. May God bless you all. Thank you.